In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color on Shopify. Whether you're looking to update your store's appearance for a fresh new look or just want to match your brand colors more closely, I'll walk you through this simple process so you can make your store uniquely yours. First, make sure that you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. It's important to start here because this is where you'll manage all the back-end settings for your store. Once logged in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Online Store. This is going to open up the section where you can customize almost every aspect of your store's design. Under Online Store, you'll find Themes. Click on that, and it'll bring up a page with all your current and published themes. Now, to change your header color, you'll want to go to your currently published theme. Look for the Customize button on the right side, and click it. This will take you into the theme editor where you can see a preview of your store and a toolbar on the left with various settings. It's a good idea to stop here for a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. You're going to be working within this space for the next few minutes. Now, in the theme editor, search for Header in the sections list on the left side. Selecting Header will present you with a range of styling options specific to the header itself. Under the header settings, you're looking for an option related to the color. Depending on your theme, this will typically be labeled as background color or simply color. Once you've found the color setting, click on the color box to open up the color picker tool. This is where you can experiment with different shades. You can enter a specific color hex code if you have one in mind, or you can pick a shade manually by dragging your cursor around the palette. This can be an intuitive process, so take your time to find a color that complements your brand. If you're using a brand guideline, now is a great time to reference it for the exact color codes. After you've selected the color you want, it's always a good idea to check how it looks with the rest of your page elements. Pay attention to both aesthetics and readability, particularly how the header color interacts with your logo and the navigation text. Adjustments may be necessary to ensure everything remains visually pleasing and functional. Once you're satisfied, look for the Save button at the top right of your screen to apply your changes. You'll then want to do a final preview just to see how everything looks on the actual store, not just the editor. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify store's header color. By following these steps, you can easily update your store's appearance whenever you want. Thank you for watching, and have fun customizing your Shopify store.